Hi, and welcome to our tour of the modern human resources information system. We're not going to show you the future of human resources information management. We're going to show you what is available now. This is a world where paper documents are replaced by electronic images, where employee records can be located and opened in seconds without leaving your desk. Where preparing for an HR audit doesn't require long hours and lost sleep, and where records management and retention is handled programmatically. In this brief demonstration, we will show you how the modern HR information system captures, manages, and reports information that is critical for managing your most important resources, your people. Now, we're only going to show you a fraction of the system's total capabilities. For a more in-depth look at this application, you can register to attend one of our upcoming webinars or contact a representative to arrange for a personal presentation. The application we're about to show you employs one of today's most advanced information management systems available, Hyland OnBase, rated by Gartner as a premier enterprise content management application. OnBase is enabled for human resources information management by two companies, Tegrit Group, a software applications integration specialist, and FNTI, a document conversion company with nearly 30 years of experience in document conversion. Managing the life cycle of an employee relationship using paper files is time-consuming and cumbersome, but you already know that. So we're about to show you how employee records can be converted to digital format and maintained in OnBase. And we'll begin with an applicant resume. Let's say you receive a hard copy resume. Well, you can easily scan it and store it in OnBase. This screen shows how a scanned resume can be viewed in OnBase and tagged with information that can later be used to find the resume, such as employee name, occupation, and other important information. Imagine having all of the resumes you've ever received stored in one location and being able to retrieve just the ones you want with a simple online search, without having to touch paper. It's standard practice to receive resumes by email. Today, saving and sharing these resumes may entail printing and copying, a very inefficient process. With OnBase, you can save and store resumes directly from your email application, eliminating the print, scan, and save steps. Locating documents in OnBase is easy. Here, we are performing a document search using employee name. The search returned a list of matching documents, including the employee evaluation form, new hire information, and the I-9 and W-4 forms. Clicking on any document will open it in the OnBase image viewer. Another way of locating documents is by using a standard search. Here, you see that we selected a document type, app-resume, and we entered the employee name. Instantly, OnBase located the document for viewing. A third way to find documents is with the folder view, which is probably how you're managing paper records today. Here you can view all of the records associated with the folder you've selected. You can also perform records management functions, such as posting an event or placing a hold on a document scheduled for deletion based on your document management policy. In this example, we're going to tag an employee folder with an event date. In this case, we're saying that the employee separated from the company on October 14, 2013. OnBase automatically places the folder on a retention timeline, so that after a designated period of time, the documents associated with the employee will be deleted from the system according to your records management policy. Now, once the retention schedule clock begins ticking, you can also put it on hold and preserve the records indefinitely in the event of an audit or in case of litigation. OnBase is not just another file share-based system. It organizes and stores your records using a document classification system, which allows you to locate and control employee records from a centralized, secure location. In addition to managing documents, OnBase can manage entire processes, such as onboarding, policies and procedures, performance management, or any other process that is part of human resources. In this next example, we'll look at onboarding employees. As soon as an offer letter has been countersigned by a candidate and entered into OnBase, it will automatically generate a workflow item with corresponding onboarding checklists. By selecting that workflow item from a master checklist, you will see all of the items in the checklist that will guide you through each activity and help you monitor the status of the onboarding process. You know that compliance is critical to HR, and OnBase has several features that will help you prepare for and monitor your organization's audit readiness. Using OnBase's Special Reports interface, we can easily specify a report that will tell us which files are missing documents or that contain expired documents, such as Form I-9 or W-4. The resulting report identifies employee files that match our criteria. This report can also spawn a list of activities to be executed using the OnBase workflow feature. Using OnBase to host your employee files, monitor file completeness, and maintain compliance and tracking activities enables you to work more efficiently, reduce your risk, and ultimately improve employee morale because you can be more responsive to your internal customers. For more information or to arrange for a more extensive demonstration, please email or call now. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to speaking with you.